Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we're gonna have a look at this little smart device for your heating control. And as you can see, we did already install it. It's pretty straightforward. It's connected to Wi-Fi, or you can just use it down here. It has a LED display, which looks pretty good, and I can just play around here, and the app makes it much easier. And you can call your Alexa and all that and say, hey, what's happening at my house? Can you preheat or something? Or keep the temperature at a um, certain point. So that's kind of cool to see. And I really like the design as well. And as I said, it's pretty straightforward. The only part is you have to put in batteries, so at some point they could die on you. So you have to probably keep a little, yeah, look on that. But I have a feeling they're gonna last for forever, because I mean it's not a lot of energy that's needed to do what it's doing. But that's something you might want to think about. And right now it's even telling you what temperature it's at right now, so it's 15 degrees or Celsius. And as if I would twist or turn the handle, it will change, and then it will let me know when it's there, and we'll hold it steady there. And yeah, it's that simple. So I think it's cool. So take care, you guys, and I will see you around. Until the next time, bye bye.